Welcome to watch Freshlyant's operation video for SIM card installation, Fresh Tracker 10E or 10. Step 1. Remove the 7 screws on the back cover. Step 2. Open the back cover and locate the SIM card slot. Step 3. Push gently to open the SIM card slot. You will hear a soft click. Step 4. Insert the card. Step 5. Push the slot back into place gently until you hear another soft click. Step 6. Reattach the back cover and tighten all 7 screws. The SIM card installation is now complete.